Going to check of our Storm Team 6 forecast with Todd Clausen.
Hey, Mark. Good morning to you. Good morning, everybody. It's a cool morning for us, but temperatures actually running a little bit above normal. Here's a live look from downtown to the north, and visibility not an issue this morning. 24 hours from now, though, we will be dealing with quite a bit of rainfall moving through the state. 28, that's the current temperature. The winds out of the southwest at 7 miles per hour, and see southwesterly winds that'll eventually start to bring in some pretty mild air, believe it or not. By tomorrow, we're looking at temperatures up near 50 degrees. Just know that occurs fairly late in the day. This morning, as you walk out the door, right around the freezing mark in Bloomington, cooler to the north where the clouds are a little bit thinner. 22 in Peru, 21 is the current temperature in Lafayette, and these temperatures are running anywhere from about 3 to even 11 degrees warmer than yesterday. Bloomington, near 11 degrees warmer than 24 hours ago, nearly 10 degrees warmer here in the metro area. So as you look at the wind chill values, you reduce the temperature by a little bit up in Peru to Muncie, where it feels like it's in the teens, but overall not too bad here this morning. But there is plenty of cold air that's still locked up in Canada, and as Ashley's going to show you in your 7-day planning forecast, that is going to head our way. So don't let this brief warm-up that's heading our way fool you. Winter is still in full force across central Indiana. So temperatures today eventually get up to right around 37 degrees. TrueView radar is pretty quiet. We just have one little area of a light rain snow mixture moving through Lawrence County. So there could maybe be a slick spot or two on the roadways, maybe on US 50, but that should be just about it. As these little rain and snow showers sneak across the southern half of the state, they will not progress any farther to the north. And then here's our storm system for tomorrow that is going to start to come in during the overnight hours. So the further north you are today, more in the way of sunshine, but the overall trend will be for the clouds to increase. And then here comes the precipitation arriving overnight, and as that precipitation comes in, temperatures will be key, because look how we are below freezing in many locations. But the good news is, Ashley, we are only briefly below freezing tomorrow morning. As that storm system comes in, it's going to bring warmer air with it and change that freezing rain over to just plain old rain, but still a little bit of a concern for us.
Right, that freezing rain threat for us early tomorrow morning, so it happens in the overnight hours. So if you're out late night tonight and maybe hitting the roads at around 1 a.m., then you have the threat of seeing just a little freezing rain as this system slides in tomorrow. So that threat, let's take a look at TrueCast here and go forward. I want to show you TrueCast tomorrow morning starting at 1 a.m. You'll notice that this model was showing it as all rain. I think that's definitely possible because the temperature trend tomorrow morning between about 29 and 33 degrees. I think it's possible to see just a little freezing rain, but basically this is a rain event for us. So not as concerned about freezing rain, especially after around 5 a.m. when this is all rain. I mean, look at this widespread rain from Peru into Lafayette, down into Indianapolis, down into Bloomington. So a rainy Saturday. Now the trade-off for the rainy day will be the warmer air. Tomorrow's actually a very nice day for us as we warm up to near 50 degrees. Some heavier pockets of rain as this system slides out, so we're going to deal with quite a bit of rain tomorrow. That rain will continue into Sunday morning, and we could see a little in the way of snow showers on Sunday evening. Here's your forecast for Saturday. We start you out with rain likely in the morning, rainy and mild throughout the afternoon hours. Some wind picking up as well. Will become breezy at times, with that wind helping us to warm to 50 degrees. Let's talk about the possibility of snow on Sunday, your Colts forecast. Well, for the Colts game on Sunday, I think we see temperatures at around 36 degrees. Some snow showers possible in the afternoon, but our high temperatures at 36, so that snow shower possibility really happens late or either areas far to the north. So if you're around Peru into Lafayette, you have a possibility of seeing some light snow. Let's skip forward here to the 7-day planning forecast. Temperatures are pretty cold for you next week. You can see this temperature trend of that very cold blast of air that will move in. Temperatures will peak in the teens with overnight numbers at around the single digits. Hey, look at what happens on Thursday. Temperatures will start out on Thursday morning at 2. That's it, just 2, and then we'll warm up to around 17 degrees. That's your warm up. So we're going to see a very cold week for us next week. I want to make you aware of what's happening here. But for today, 37 degrees, some sunshine and dry. Enjoy. Let's head over to Lauren.